Today, I am going to draw an elephant. Yes, you heard me. An elephant. And this is the final week. Yes, week of March. No, February. So after this, I'm going to draw ladies or women or the opposite. Nope. Okay. So I'm just gonna draw ladies. Next month is going to be the Women's History Month. So why not draw ladies? So yeah. But jumping into the piece, I'm drawing elephant. I am right now actually, yeah, drawing the elephant. I'm just blocking in the ears, the face, the trunk, and the eyes, and all that jazz. So after I finish drawing and sketching it out, well, not sketching it out, but once I finish drawing, I'm going to take a micron to it and outline all the other things that I want to stand out, and then moving on to the watercolor phase. But right now, I'm doing a little bit of details, just making sure that I have the nose and the ears blocked in, and then, like I said, moving on to the trunk because elephants have those big trunks, and enough said. Yeah, and I'm just going to do the other eye and then the ear, and then, like I said, moving on to watercolor. So let me tell you what's going on next month. Portraits. I'm still doing portraits. This is a portrait channel, but this is my portrait channel. So I'm going to um, draw ladies, but kind of add another element to that. And you might say, what is there to add to amazing women? Let me tell you, nothing but with my portraits, I'm going to add pizzazz, some unknown element to the portraits I'm going to do of women. All I'm going to say is next month is Ladies of the Earth. Oh, okay. Anyway, get back to the piece. So I'm just trying to block in everything, like the ears, the eyes, the tusks, and the trunk. And I'm just trying to make sure that the trunk is detailed thoroughly, and I have the right proportions for the overall elephant. Now, I realized that I didn't do C. Originally, I was going to draw like every letter of the alphabet. For example, like A, alpaca, B, bear, D, dog, E, elephant. But I forgot C. Like, my brain is like. And then I thought, no, you didn't do C. But you did. Yeah, I have a problem with conflicting thoughts, but here's what I did. And I've done D as well, but when I started the series, I was like, oh yeah, I'm just gonna do A through Z, and post all of them. Yeah, I'm thinking about that very carefully. So probably not going to post all of them. Just because I'm thinking about all of the work that I'm gonna do, and I just don't think that is feasible. So I'm just going to post them when I have the chance. So jumping back into the piece, I'm taking a micron to this elephant to pull out more detail. So don't be afraid to comment about anything. And I forgot, I switched to the Logitech C922 to see if it could enhance and upgrade my video. Um, as you can see, it's not. I mean, it's good. It's looking good. But I wanna get more detail so you can see the overall like image. So once I finish with my micron, I'm going to um, watercolor it. It's going to be the same process as my last videos, where I place down like my darks, my shadows, um, and then my highlights, my like the the blues for the shadows, blues and the pinks, and then the highlights are going to be like the yellows and the oranges. And then once I get finished with the elephant, I'm going to do the Sumi ink dripping. Um, Pretty straightforward with my style of art in this series. Um, and then next month I will start on another series. I can't keep the same style of art um, every every time I do a piece because it gets pretty monotonous for me. And not saying that I'm gonna stop doing this style of art uh, in the future. Um, it, it it depends on how I feel. I could be coming right back into like the dripping um, effect in 2 weeks or 2 months. It depends on what I feel. It depends on a lot of things. Honestly, it depends on the artist. If you have different types of art you do um, on paper, um, and you just want to stick to that style, stick to that drawing, stick to that, same thing. If it works for you, it works. I'm not a new artist, I'm a new YouTuber, so it depends on what you guys want to see in my style of art, but that's a different topic. Moving on, I'm super pumped about next month, and I'm super pumped about the rest of this painting. Once I get finished with the micron, just comment in the comment section below what you guys and girls want to see from me uh, moving forward. Um, if you don't, I'm just going to do what I do. Alright, catch you on the flip side.